slide, 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 slide.
What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Iceman on 22s, man. Look, today is going down, man. We about to do the bumper and hood swap. Right now, I got a 1-scoop SRT hood and a SRT front bumper. My boy EPIC Auto, man. Shout out to my boy Eric for getting me right. So yeah, we finna head over there and see what we looking at. So we should get ready to assemble. I'll see y'all at the shop. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm back on here, man. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my boy, man, Abe over there at RSTO Auto Parts out of Mounds. He got everything over there, man. If you're in the Minnesota area, you're looking for some parts, 9 times out of 10, if he don't got it, he can get it, man. So shout out to Abe, man. He looked out for me, got me together. So yeah, we just on the road right now. Finna head over to the shop, man. See what my people got going on, see what Eric got going on. And then we're gonna start disassembling this joint and get to putting all the joints back on, man. The new parts, so. On our way, man. Let's see what we got, man. I'll see y'all when I pull up to the shop.